Can we get a higher? Higher! They're like, we quit. We're going home. We're sheep.
But I started.
I've heard of Renegade Racing.
All right, so I started a channel about a year ago. I do a lot of stuff with Brent from PFI Speed. I don't know if you know who that is.
Yeah.
So we actually, I've been trying to, doing this shit on your own is hard, man.
Yeah.
You know what it's about. But I've been building a shop. We're almost done with it. So I don't know if you've heard of Sky Performance. They were in Smyrna.
Yeah, I did.
Right, I bought Sky Performance, this whole
okay.
shop. So I'm moving the dyno. It gets installed in 2 weeks to behind my house. So I mean, we're going to start doing a whole bunch of filming out of there. So I've been working on getting my own place to film at and stuff of that nature.
Right.
But we're going to have a friends and family day, and it'd be really cool if you could come out, bring the car or something. We could, spend some stuff on it. Yeah. Well, not the YouTube page, but that's my cell phone number right here. And then, you can just get on Renegade Racing on YouTube or whatever. But we're going to do that. And then, if you ever want to do some filming and stuff of that nature, man, the dyno's open.
Yeah, I always need a dyno.
Yeah, we can come up there and play. It's all-wheel drive Dynajet 424 XLC, top of the line. So,
all right, I appreciate the hustle.
Hey, absolutely, man. Thank you. Yep, hey, hit me up, shoot me an email or something. Write me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
DM me I'll DM on Instagram too.
Gotcha. That'll work, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. What's going on, guys?
What's going on?
Out here for the protest?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Set them free. Come on.
Hey guys, let's see y'all signs, man. What we got on the signs? A little squirt never hurt. My body, my choice to splash. Yes. This is great, guys. Legalize splashing. Women can squirt, why can't I? This is great.
Make splashing great again.
Oh yeah, we're bringing it.
Oh God, we can't even do it.
What? Where you from, man?
Manchester, Tennessee.
How far would you drive?
About an hour. But I did work 12 hours last night.
But it was worth it, though.
Oh, you fucking A-right.
Hey, guys. How far would you drive?
8 hours.
8 hours.
It was worth it, though.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
Where you live at?
Illinois.
Illinois?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on this?
I think it's stupid. Very stupid. How many times I've splashed my friends on a jet ski.
Some of your signs. Where are you from, man?
I'm from Iowa.
How far would you drive?
About 9 hours.
But it was worth it.
Oh, it was.
So we got some locals here. What do you think about this?
Is your channel PG?
You said it, man.
I think this whole thing is horse shit. And that deputy's not from this county. He should have kept his fucking mouth shut.
You heard it right here. Should have made splashing legal again.
Hey guys, how far would you drive?
2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. It wasn't bad.
But it was worth it.
Oh yeah.
What are your thoughts on this?
Splashing ain't that bad.
Splash ain't bad.
A little squirt never hurt.
Nope. Exactly.
Yeah.
Like on the other side of Nashville.
Hold on. How far would you drive?
Drove 6 hours. I revived this guy 3 weeks ago. I was sitting in the backyard for 3 fucking years. Why not? Make a drive out here and get some new tires. Support Whistle and Diesel for splashing.
And it's worth it.
Sure is.
Minnesota, Kentucky. Down here, but it has just got.
They changed the court date? Oh, you know when?
Yeah, it's next Wednesday.
Alright.
So he did post he was going to be here.
Wait, he said he's going to be here?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. You think he changed the court date?
Yeah.
No.
I'm with the newspaper. I know they changed the court date.
Oh, what newspaper?
Smith Doherty.
Oh, okay.
There's no court today or tomorrow, and they pushed the cases from today and tomorrow to next week.
You know why?
No, I don't know why.
Karen from around the corner just complaining like
Who cares?
Too many Karens around here.
I know. I saw them. They were complaining over by that forest shop already. They're on the phone. They're like, these lifted trucks over here. Like.
Well, this whole thing is about Karens.
Exactly. That really is.
Where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
How far did you drive?
12 hours.
12 hours.
12
That's
hours
the longest today.
Yeah.
But it was worth it.
Oh, hell yeah.
What are you going to do if he doesn't show up?
Kayak at the lake. We got
Kayak at the
kayaks.
lake, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. What's going on?
I think these people are here over a court date that some guy got on the lake.
That's crazy, isn't it? Have you ever seen anything like this?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been all kinds of crap here before, but
This big of a turnout for a splashing ticket?
yeah, and actually the court is canceled today. There's no court.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So.
No. All right, where are you from?
Virginia.
Virginia?
Yeah.
How far would you drive?
5 hours.
It was worth it.
Yes, it was. We're excited.
What's your favorite sign out here?
The, what was it? The squirt splash? The squirt was trash.
They're trying to claim the court date's canceled. What do you think about that?
That's ridiculous. We're all here to party either way. Support Cody.
Can we get a oh yeah?
Hey, no splashing.
Are you splashing people?
Operation of a spray ball. Crocs on.
That's illegal, man.
No, I have a 4-wheel drive. What are you doing?
We got a.
Women's squirt, why can't I? We're standing in the street.
Splashing's not a crowd! Splashing's not a crowd!
How's it going? Thanks for coming, guys. So she's with the news.
I'm with the Smithville Review.
And
we did a little coverage in this week's paper. And then we unfortunately covered this again. Which I know the court date changed.
I guess so. I don't know if that was for a holiday or...
I think maybe, I'm not sure, but there's no court today or tomorrow. So they just pushed everything back to next week. So I guess we'll get to see y'all next week.
Okay, I guess they told us the whole week was here.
Yeah. Oh, you're saying something.
Yeah. We're going to get a picture with the news. Oh, with your phone right here? Up there, right here. Justice for Cody. This is great. Alright, we gotta see.
Go meet you over, bro.
Toyota Camaro.
probably gonna wash away the first rain, so I'd recommend like a clear coat.
Yeah, I'll clear coat it.
Do you know the guy in the Gallardo? He's blocking us.
Yeah, he illegally parked.
He illegally
parked their Lamborghini.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, you gotta get a picture with the sign.
Oh yeah.
Mary brought her own game.
Get it? Get it? Yeah, you gotta take one of my phone. Don't steal my phone.
No, everybody's been great.
Definitely wasn't my intention if it caused anyone a headache.
No, everything's been good today. So
very professional, and everyone seems extremely polite that lives here, so very nice town, but
good deal.
Yeah,
we're glad to see you here. We hate it's under these
yeah, no, I don't
yeah.
get my feelings hurt. I just, you know, I like to, I guess when I can, if I, you know, if there's something that seems like a little bit of injustice, I want to, you know, do something about it. But I have nothing against anyone, and I wish the best for everyone.
But hey, we appreciate that. This is Mark Collins.
Nice
He's
to meet
the
you.
Smithville Police Chief.
Yeah. But yeah, I appreciate the professionalism very much.
Well,
very professional.
We appreciate that.
I was expecting like a bigger city when I came here, and I didn't know.
No, we're pretty laid back. Yeah, pretty laid back.
But
yeah,
everyone's very polite. So
that's great. That's great. Hot out here today.
Very, very. Someone said Alan Jackson lives here.
Used to. Yeah. Aaron Tippin, he lives here.
Okay.
Sean Anderson.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. They just Alan Jackson like grew up here, or did they just?
No, he bought a home on the lake.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because
I guess
when
a
this
couple
happened,
years
someone brought that up, and they said he cut some trees down and had a concert there.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he sure did.
20 years ago.
Yeah,
Really?
It's been a long time. Long time. Yeah. Well, yeah.
They said they're bringing barbecue grills out next week for everybody.
Okay.
But I don't think that many people at all will come. A couple people know the new date. But I didn't want to reschedule and then like have everyone have a headache. I'll try not to have anyone bother anyone.
I understand.
But yeah, everyone's been very polite, so.
That's great.
Anyways,
That's great.
there's a small town restaurant that wants us to go have breakfast there, so we're probably gonna
Yeah, be good. Yeah. Make yourself at home. All right, good seeing you, bud.
All right, you too, very much. Thank you much again for the professionalism. I appreciate it.
Okay, appreciate you.
Can we get a oh yeah? Oh yeah!
So long, gay boys!